Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's our topic is fundamental of marketing selling in biotech. Business development compromise a number of tasks and processes generally aiming at developing and implementing growth opportunity between organization. It is subset of the fielding of business commerce organization theory. It is fundamental, require and involve all the sections that make us up a business. Business development is the creation of long-term value of an organization from customer. The business development are different from the biotech sector. For a large, well-established companies in a healthcare related industries, the term business development often refer to the setting up and managing strategies, relationship and alliance with other third-party companies. The companies may leverage each other expertise, technologies, or intellectual properties to expand their capabilities for identifying research, analyzing, and bringing to market new business and new products. Business development focuses on the implementation of the strategic business plan through equity, finances, technologies, product companies, plus establishment, strategic partnership where appropriate. Business development for biotech, biosector startups and SMEs are for biotech and other health sector startups. Without business development, there is a no company. It is not only a matter of development and growth, but of survival. There is a strategical essential and should be prioritized accordingly. BD is important and must be taken seriously, but it is not rocket science. As a simple approach is known as a TDS, target identification, plus understanding of driver solution of the drivers equal to BD success. What is the matter? The starting of the business development of the biotech sector, which is the some following characteristic I will tell you in this lecture. This is how to getting started the business. What is the need? What is the market need? And customer willing to pay or market need, intellectual properties, your customer satisfaction, relationship between early with the customer, development path, resources, core procedure, market development, territories, equity, upfront of milestone and payments, advantage of licensing and to big pharma company. Many of pharma company have to get a license for validation for they are making some rubber stamping product where industry sector potential critical. Its general practice OTC products market penetration requires to large sales forces, high standard product development which should be necessary to be focused and development. Advantage of licensing to biotech sectors are ability to be more focused and more faster on a specific project, less politics, faster decision, and greater transparency. Potential to retain some additional rights to the listeners, licensors, and permitting increased revenue generation, higher sale. Obviously, it is attract to the licensors. So this is all about the fundamental of marketing selling in a biotech, and license also required to the this section. I hope you are satisfied. Thank you.